my biggest advice is don't set your goal too high. If you just want to get like the Hack the Box CPTS cert or OSCP or get one of those, me personally, I think that's a bad goal. Um, it's, I guess, maybe a good milestone, but like a goal should just be something you can measure on a smaller scale, right? It would be like, I'm going to go to the gym and my goal is to get a six pack. I'm probably not going to see that six pack until 6 months of training. So, month one, how do I stay motivated, right? I'm nowhere near that. I don't see any results. And that's just the same with doing CTFs, doing security. You're not going to see the result very quickly. And it's hard to see the result if you set the goal too far in advance. My favorite goals are just, I'm going to do something for 1 hour every week. Like if it's Hack the Box, I wouldn't even say I'm going to do one machine a week because you may not get a machine that week. Just say, I'm going to dedicate this hour block, this time of day to doing this. And then I'm going to do it for 2 months. And we're going to see how I progressed in 2 months. And chances are you'll see some type of benefit.